Hello everybody and welcome back to Primal Living's YouTube channel. My name is Hannah. I am one of the Primal Gourmet authors, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make this quick and easy Kung Pao chicken dish. This recipe is perfect for when you fancy a takeaway but instead decide to make your own. Fake away, as I like to call it. This recipe uses fresh primal ingredients, so this is a lot healthier than the traditional Kung Pao chicken dish that you will find in a restaurant. Have turned the heat up just a notch, so if you don't fancy a really spicy dish, then make sure you take out the dried chili peppers and go from there onwards. This recipe is really straightforward and also can be made in just under 30 minutes, making it a perfect midweek dinner too. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel for weekly recipe videos and more. But for now, let's get into it. Begin by adding the following ingredients to a bowl: 4 tablespoons of coconut aminos, 1 teaspoon of fish sauce, 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, 2 diced garlic cloves, 1/4 of a teaspoon chili flakes, and 1 tablespoon of stevia. Mix everything together. If you wish, you can add a little water. 1 tablespoon worth should be just fine. Mix again and then set aside. Grab yourself a wok and add 3 tablespoons of avocado oil and bring the pan to medium heat. Add 4 to 5 diced organic chicken thighs and cook for 5 minutes until they're golden on the outside. Add 1 medium courgette sliced and halved, 1 diced red bell pepper, 3 dried chilies, and stir everything together. Cook the vegetables until they begin to soften. This should take roughly 5 minutes. Add 225 grams of water chestnuts to the stir fry and mix once more for a few minutes. Five minutes before you plan to serve, add the sauce and mix well into the stir fry. Keep stirring the dish while it continues to cook. You want to make sure the sauce covers every single ingredient for maximum flavour. Add 80 grams of cashews and mix in. Your dish should almost be ready now, so now is the time to add any extra seasoning. I personally like to add a good dose of black pepper and sea salt, but taste it and add what you think is appropriate. Garnish with spring onions and serve with either slim rice or cauliflower rice. And that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to check out our tasty Primal Meals playlist for more low carb recipe inspiration. As always, thank you so much for watching.